Hello, I'm Hank from BXB at ISE 2020. So excited to talk about BXB's new solution here. This year, we offer the newest AV over IP solutions, VDM, Video Distributor Matrix, encoder and decoder. We, BXB, provide a full range and I/O for AV projects. So AV over IP is the core technology for BXB, and we integrate AV over IP in most of our solutions. So in BXB, we provide the most cost-effective solution to support our customers for sustainable operation. Come visit bxb.tw/en, and we have a video available at rAVe. Thank you.